So, welcome to this session of the flow through pipe. So, the outline of my today's presentation is, so what is the flow through pipes, what is the basic concept of the flow through pipe, what is the different types of energy losses, major energy losses, minor energy losses, and how pipes are connected, pipes in series or pipes in compound. What is the basically concept of the actually when fluid flow in pipes, there are the two types, because we are mechanical engineer, we are bothered about the flow of a fluid in pipes. Civil engineers, they are, yes, they are more bothered about the fluid flow through the open channel. So, in fluid flow through the pipes, our objective mission is calculate power. Yes, when fluid is flowing in a pipe. If fluid flowing in a pipe is a closed circuit circular section which is used for carrying fluid. Yes, it is carrying fluid under pressure, because this fluid having pressure means potential energy. Yes, some potential, and this one is the, yes, anywhere we mean that the conversion takes place in case of the turbine, in case of the impulse turbine, when the fluid completely filled. So, in the fluid flow through the pipes, if fluid flowing in a pipes, there are the different types of energy losses occurs. So, this energy losses is the two types. One is the major, yes, energy loss. So, this major energy loss is the due to friction only. So, what is the reason of the major energy loss? Due to the friction, and this is calculated by, yes, if fluid flow through the pipes by Darcy-Weisbach equation. And what is the Darcy-Weisbach equation? Is the 4F HF equal to 4F LV square upon D into 2G. Okay. Again, in for the open channel, this one is the Chegy equation, and what is the Chegy equation? V equal to C under root m I, we discuss in detail. So, this major loss is calculated by only two equation, either fluid is open channel or fluid flow in pipes. Another fluid, there are so many other losses also exist, that is known as minor losses. And what is those losses? If, yes, because if you see the length, the powerhouse and reservoir, yes, at dam or any reservoir, water source reservoir and powerhouse, there the huge distance are there. So, water is carrying from the reservoir to at the place of the powerhouse, because turbine exists at the, in case of the, in powerhouse. So, water is coming through the pipes and it strike to the bucket, yes, it comes for the strike to the turbine for the generation of the mechanical power. Ultimate, what is the target? To convert this water, yes, which is under pressure, this fluid, yes, which is under pressure means potential energy we are converted to the mechanical power, yes, first primarily in the kinetic energy, then it strike to the bucket, plate, anywhere, and it convert into the mechanical power. Then mechanical power by alternator or generator, we use the we convert to the electrical energy. So, hydro energy, which is in form of kinetic plus potential energy, by turbine we convert mechanical power, by alternator or generator we convert the electrical power. This one is the a brief concept of the just hydro station, any hydro station. So, if you are carrying water from reservoir up to powerhouse, in between, yes, so many pipes are, we are interconnected, pipe in parallel, pipe in series, the diameter of each pipe is large, then small. So, under the geographical condition, yes, it is inclined, yes, it curved, bend, so many valves are there. So, in minus other losses are sudden expansion of the pipe, sudden expansion. Yes, sudden expansion. This one is the diameter, then sudden expansion. Sudden contraction, if you see contraction are there, sudden contraction. Okay. Bend in the pipe. If pipe bends are there, if so many bends are there, then loss occurs at the bends. Pipe fittings, so many fittings are there. Yes, so many obstructions are there, so many minor losses. Okay. So, these are the major, this is the major and this one is the minor, this is the minor. So, major already we have, yes, major loss is calculated by Darcy-Weisbach equation, and which one is the 4, yes, already derived, HF4F LV square d into 2g, where what is the F? Coefficient F is the, always remember, coefficient of friction, coefficient of friction. So, this becomes, yes, this become F LV square d into 2g. So, this become friction factor, this become friction factor, this become friction factor. Okay. Then what is the Chezy's formula? Chezy again another scientist, yes, they are saying, because same concept again they derived, the Chezy concept is the same. How we derive the this equation, Darcy equation? There is the propelling force P 1 minus P 2 into A equal to F dash P L V square. This one is the basic concept. Okay. Same, by same concept we derived this Chezy equation also. In the both sides we divide the y specific weight W. Okay. So, just this simple way, yes. So, this equation. So, what is the mean velocity? If you calculate, what is the mean velocity? By this you calculate the mean velocity at this is the mean velocity V. So, so this become under root, all this time is the under root, this one is, yes, it is called Chezy's constant, this value, this one is the called Chezy's constant, this is called, and this one is m. What is the m? Hydraulic mean depth, m equal to A upon P, and one another F, HF upon L, HF upon L, this one is the this is known as I, and what is the I? This is called, yes, this one is the ratio root HF head loss per unit length, head loss per unit length. So, this become, this is the Chezy constant. So, what is the mean velocity? Mean velocity equal to C under root m I, under root m I, m is the same hydraulic mean depth, that is A upon P, I equal to head HF per unit, head loss per unit length. So, the minor losses already discussed, yes, loss due to, yes, sudden enlargement, loss head due to sudden contraction, loss of obstruction, entrance, exit, bend, Parius fitting, these are the different types of losses. We are, yes, so many more also exist. So, major is due to friction only, always remember. If fluid flow through the pipes, there is the two types losses occurs, one is major, another is the minor. Major is the, yes, if fluid flow through the pipe, major is calculated by Darcy-Weisbach equation, that is the HF equal to 4 F L V square upon d into 2g. And if fluid flow through the open channel, equation is the Chezy equation. We have calculated this loss by Chezy equation, and that mean velocity V equal to C under root m I, where the C is the Chezy constant and m is the hydraulic mean depth and I is the HF per unit length, head loss per unit length. It is clear. And what are the minor? Minor may be sudden enlargement, sudden contraction, yes, sudden obstruction, entrance, exit, pipe fitting, pipe bending, so many losses occurs. These are comes under the category of minor energy losses. So, already we calculated the major. Then what is the expression of minor losses? So, first is due to the sudden enlargement. Sudden enlargement, this just see, yes, this one is the, yes, this pipe, sudden enlargement. This one is the, yes, this one is the sudden enlargement. Sudden enlargement. So, in this, yes, eddies formation takes place. Just see in pipes, because if you see sudden enlargement, we can say, we can what is the, yes, so eddies formation takes place in between. There is the eddies formation at this one. There is the eddies formation. So, yes, we are section 1 if you see section 1 and this is the section 2 section 2 if you see P1, yes, this one is the P1, area A1, velocity V1, this one P2, V2, A2. Okay. So, just see, and this pressure at this level pressure is the simple Bernoulli equation. We apply the Bernoulli equation, simple Bernoulli equation at 1 and 2. This one is the Bernoulli P upon W, V1 square do G, Z1. So, this one is Z, yes, P2, V2, Z2 and loss of heat. Why losses occur? Due to sudden, this loss, due to sudden we are adding the loss of heat. Loss of heat. What is your objective? Your mission is to calculate HE only, head loss only, and this HE, yes, head loss HE equal to this one. How? P1 minus P2 upon W plus V1 square upon 2G minus V2 square upon 2G. Simple. So, this one is the one equation number 1. Another equation is the force. So, this one is the control volume, just control volume. What is the force acting under the control? Force, the force acting inside the control volume. So, we know this is the Fx, and what is this force? Yes, one is the P1 A1, another is a minus P2 A2. Yes, we can write P1, okay, P1 minus P2 in, yes, if you solve, yes, so this become, what is the change in momentum of liquid per second? So, this one is the change moment, yes, rho AV, initial momentum. What is the initial momentum minus final momentum? Yes, change in moment, initial momentum, yes, because F equal to m dV upon dt, F dt impulse equal to m dV. So, this is the impulse change in momentum per second, change impulse in momentum. So, and what is this? Mass density equal to mass upon volume. So, mass equal to density into volume, and what is volume? Density area into velocity, So, this became mass velocity. So, rho A V square. So, that is why initial. So, this one is the concept. So, what is the change in momentum per second? If you see, because we apply continuity equation, you get A1 this value, and this one is the change in momentum. So, if this is the change in momentum, so this equation P1 minus P2 into A2 net force. So, this net force equal to this. So, what is the net force, you know, this one. Okay. So, this one the net force, and if we compare in the back side, and what is the H E? H E, yes, P 1 minus P 2 upon W plus V 1 square upon V 2 square this. So, in place of this we write, in place of this just go, yes, we get, okay. If we, because in place of P 1 minus P 2 this, okay, and okay, putting this value, just putting this value, because this value is common, and another in place of P 1 P 2 we get this result, because if calculated this putting, so this head loss equal to V 1 square V 2 square minus 2 V 1 V 2 upon 2 G. So, we can write V 1 minus V 2 whole square upon 2 G. So, head loss H E equal to V 1 minus V 2 square upon 2 G. So, what is this? What is this? This one is the head loss due to sudden expansion. E means expansion, H E means expansion. What is the head loss due to sudden contraction? Head loss due to sudden contraction. So, head loss, so this one is the sudden contraction, this one the figure, yes, like this. So, just like this vena contracta, this become, yes, CC vena contracta. Up to this, yes, again sudden expansion. Okay. So, this one is the negligible small, there the no loss, yes, up to this negligible small, another this side is the behave like sudden expansion. So, SC head loss due to sudden contraction, head loss due to sudden contraction equal to loss up to vena. This is the up to vena contracta, loss up to vena contracta plus, yes, loss due to sudden enlargement beyond vena contracta, because like this. So, up to vena contracta, then sudden expansion beyond vena contracta, this is the sudden expansion. We calculated sudden expansion, this coefficient, and up to this one is the very small. So, this one is the very small. So, up to this negligible small plus already we know sudden expansion, what is the head loss due to sudden expansion. So, V what is the loss? V 1 minus V 2 whole square upon 2 G. And if you apply the continuity, what is continuity? A C V C equal to A to V 2. A C V C equal to A to V 2. A C V C A to V 2. So, what is the V C? V C, what is the V C? We write A 2 V 2 upon A C. And what is this? This value V A 2 upon C. What is C C? One term, coefficient of contraction, already did I discuss in the case of the Bernoulli, yes, in the dynamics. What is the C C? You know the C C? C C. Anyone? Yes, C C. So, this become A C upon, yes, area of, yes, this point upon A 2 upon A 2. So, we can, yes, so this become V 2 upon V C, V 2 upon C C. So, this we can write this C C equal to S C equal to K times. So, this value 1 upon C C minus 1 square, it is constant. So, we can write K, if we can write K, this is the K, yes, what is the K? K is 1 upon C c minus 1 whole square. So, what is the head loss due to sudden contraction? Head loss due to sudden contraction is the K times, okay. And this one the numerically approximate 0.5 V 2 square upon 2 g. So, this one is again minor losses head due to the obstruction, these are the, and entrance, if you see head loss due to entrance 0.5 V 2 upon square. Yes, head loss exit loss V 2 square. So, these are the some we are yes taking consideration some minor losses. Okay. So, some time bend, if coefficient of bend is given, so K times V 2 square upon. So, V 2 square upon 2 g is the common, we take K times, and this one is the K is the, what is the K? Bend coefficient. If this is the fitting coefficient is known, so K times V 2 square upon 2 g. So, K times this one is the common. Next one is the fundamental how the pipes in the series are compound pipes. Yes, if there are the two, yes, there the power transmission is there. If there are the two pipes, yes, pipes in series are compound pipes. So, two, yes, you see A and B, there is the huge, there is the difference of H, the level difference, this level difference is the H. This is the connected by pipe, 3 pipes 1, 2, 3, whose diameter is the d 1, length is L 1, coefficient of friction is F 1, d 2 L 2 F 2, d 3 L 3 F 3, and velocity, because cross section is the changing. So, velocity is the V 1, V 2, V 3. So, whatever the discharge, this one is the Q, Q is the common, yes, Q equal to this Q 1, Q 2, this Q 3, same discharge Q equal to Q 1, Q 2, Q 3, and means A 1 V 1 equal to A 2 V 2 equal to A 3 V 3. What about the head loss? Head loss is the different head loss. What about the head loss? Yes, one is the continuity and other the head loss, because total, yes, H, one is the major, another is the minor. The first loss is the yes, entrance, this loss, entry, H I, yes, H I. Then major loss, H F 1, major loss, H F 1. Then sudden contraction takes place, this contraction, so H C. Then friction again, loss in pipe 2, H F 2. Then again expansion, this is the expansion, again expansion H E, then again third H friction loss plus then exit loss V 3 square upon 2 g. So, this all, this one is the this summation is the total head loss. So, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, then minor. So, this become total H, total H. Okay. So, this H I head loss entrance, this value, H F 1 Darcy equation, H C contraction already derived, S 2 again Darcy, yes, we can see the Darcy, yes, S, yes, then H E expansion, velocity difference V 2 V 3 square upon 2 g, H F 3 head loss due to friction, again Darcy equation, yes, if F 1, this is the condition, if material is the same, if F 1 equal to F 2 equal to F 3 equal to F, then this become total. And if you are ignoring, yes, if you are ignoring the minor losses, yes, in this case if you are ignoring the minor, ignoring minus, we are not considering the minor, all neglecting the minor losses, minor losses and putting this condition. So, this value of head coefficient, this value of h, we can write this value. If you are ignoring, if you are ignoring the, if you are ignoring. So, fundamentally, if you can say the fundamental is, what is fundamental? The fundamental is in case of, yes, reservoir problem. So, one loss is the major, another is the minor, another is the minor, and major loss is calculated by the Darcy only. Yes, this is the Darcy's equation, and so many minor losses. So, all these in all the equation, just all these equation, if you see in this, suppose in this equation, the first one is the entrance, this entrance is the HI. So, this one is the minor, in this is the minor. Then it water goes to this one the major. Again this type of loss. So, what does it mean? It means, yes, in this, if you are considering, if just see what is the HI? HI is the entrance, HI is the entrance, that is the point, okay. This one is the entrance, this, all these pipe means this pipe there are the three major losses, and in this equation we ignore all the minor, ignore all the minor means, if ignoring minor, this loss, it goes down. So, only HF1, HF2, HF3 comes in the picture. So, this H equal to, this capital H equal to HF1 plus HF2 plus HF3, and this become 4 FLV square d upon 2g plus 4 F2 L2 V square upon d1 d2 into 2g plus 4 F3 L3 V3 square V1 V2 V3 square upon d3 into 2g, and if F1 F2, so this F1 F 4F, just see 4, this 2 cancelled 2 times, 2 times. So, 2F upon G common. So, L1, this L1 V1 square upon D1, L1 V1 upon D1, L2 V2 square upon D2, L3 V3 D3 is the common. Okay? So, thank you.